In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to make a full-width page in Notion. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever felt like your Notion pages look a little cramped, switching to full width is a quick change that gives your content more breathing room, especially on larger screens. It's perfect for databases, images, timelines, or any layout where extra horizontal space helps you see more at a glance. First, open the Notion page you want to adjust. This can be any page in your workspace, whether it's a personal dashboard, a project hub, or a template you're customizing. Once you're on the page, look toward the top right corner for the page menu. You'll see 3 small dots. That menu houses a lot of useful controls for layout and appearance. Click those 3 dots to open the page settings. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Full Width. It's a simple toggle. Turn it on. The moment you do, the page will stretch to fill the available space, so your content spans the full width of your window. This change applies only to the page you're viewing, so you can keep some pages narrow while making others full width, depending on how you use them. After you toggle it on, take a look at how your content reflows. You'll notice more room for wide elements like tables, calendars, galleries, and Kanban boards. Text blocks will also have more space, which can be handy for side-by-side layouts. If the lines feel too long for reading, consider organizing your page into columns to maintain readability while still using the wider canvas. Now, adjust your blocks to take advantage of the wider layout. Drag blocks next to each other to create columns, or widen images and embeds so they display with more detail. For databases, the extra space allows more properties to show without wrapping, and boards can display more cards in a single view. You might move a callout or table of contents into a narrow column on the left or right, while keeping your main notes or tasks in a wider column in the center. Small tweaks like spacing, headings, and consistent block sizes can make the page feel polished and easier to scan. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've expanded your workspace and made room for cleaner, more functional layouts. And that's how to make a Notion page full width. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.